Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all. And always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending designs of handmade crochet flowers. It's a different type of flowers and all the tutorials are available in this video, so please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and trending collection. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs of handmade crochet tutorials. I really hope that they will love these beautiful tutorial videos. You can see viewer, I am share with you step by step instruction and step by step all the making types. So I hope viewer this video is helpful for you. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, and they will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, you can see I am share with you step by step all type of designs, and you know guys, crocheting has numerous benefits, and here are some of them. The number one is relaxation and stress relief. Crocheting can be gaming a meditative, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Improved cognitive functions. Crocheting requires connections and concentration, memory and problem solving, which can be keep the mind sharp. Fine motor skills development, and it's a third one. Crocheting can improve hand-eye coordination, dexterity and finger movements. Creative expression. Crocheting allows for self-expression or creativity, which can boost self-esteem and confidence. Social connections. Joining crochet communities or classes can help build social communication and friendships. Portability. Crochet projects are often portable, making them a great hobby for on the go. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a crochet project can give you a sense of pride and therapeutic benefits. Crocheting has been used as a form of therapy for individuals and with mental health conditions, disabilities and chronic illnesses. Improved patience. Crocheting required patience, which can translate to other area of life. And the last one is fun and enjoyment. Crocheting can be a full fun and enjoyable hobby, providing a sense of pleasure and satisfaction. I hope viewer you all are understand with the benefits of crocheting. And you can see I am share with you amazing collection, amazing tutorial videos. And viewer, if you want other type of any type of crochet video, so comment me. I can make video for yourself as soon as possible. You can see viewer, if you love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. Be connected with me. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.